Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a vitamin C skin toner that helps you to remove the redness on your face, that helps you to remove pigmentations, that helps smooth out your face, that equally help to tighten up your face. Okay, so if you want to know what all of this goodness is, please stay put. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me take you right into the video. Okay guys, for that vitamin C face toner, we're gonna be needing vitamin C, and here I have some vitamin C. Okay, using this is going to help to eliminate pigments, and it's going to help to make your skin look super glowing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be crushing it. I'll then have to be turning that into a bowl. And then we're going to be making use of carrots. Now carrots is great. The carotene in carrot helps so much to eliminate large pores and eliminate pigments on the skin. So I'm going to be peeling that off. I'm going to be peeling the peel. Now I'll have to be cutting this, okay? Transfer that into a blender, put in a little bit of water, okay, because carrot does not have too much of water like that. And then blend. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and now I'll have to be bringing in the vitamin C, get in my strainer and strain out the shaft from this carrot. Okay, so this is it, and now I'll have to mix the carrot juice plus the vitamin C together, and this is how it looks like, guys. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important here, is my rose water and glycerin. Now this particular rose water and glycerin is actually very important because it contains the two. Yeah, rose water is a toner, glycerin helps to calm the redness of the skin, and which is actually what we need, guys. So we're going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of that into this mix. And then we're going to be needing lemon essential oil, or you can actually just press in a little bit of lemon inside of here, but I'm going to be using lemon essential oil. So I'm going to be putting just a little drop of the lemon essential oil. Now this is going to brighten up the face of this toner, and it's going to make it work really fine. Okay, so for this toner, you can actually spray it onto your face, okay, every morning before you take your bath, and it's gonna be wonderful, guys. You're going to love it. So let's go and do that in the bathroom. So I have this little container, and what I'm gonna do is to turn it inside here. Ouch, it's gonna just scatter the whole place. Yeah, good. Okay guys, so this is my vitamin C toner, and this is actually one thing that you have to use before you leave your house. Okay, if you have this, you shake it. You first of all wet your face. Okay, you wet your face with water. Okay, so wet your face with water, and then this, shake, and then you sprinkle it on your face. You can actually use cotton wool, you can use a brush, but yep, this is it. Okay. Okay, now I'm actually gonna be sprinkling, spraying it on my face. I'm actually going to be using my hand because it's actually going. Look at that. Okay, so I prefer to use cotton wool, since using cotton wool would actually make the drip. Okay, so I'm going to spray it on the cotton wool. Okay, look at that. Okay, so I'll then rub it all over, and then okay, sometimes all of this bottle might just disappoint. It's actually the best way because it's going to get into my skin and not just get into my nose. The other one was just almost getting into my nose. Okay, so I'll do same with this side. If you're actually having pimples at a particular place, you have to make sure that you use this on that place really well. Okay guys, so this is it, and you have to then leave it. You can apply it here and apply it here. You have to then leave it, let it dry. Okay, let it dry. When it dries, it's actually going to just tighten up your face really well, and this is good. This is basically how you're just gonna do it, and then let it dry, remove it and wash your face with a toilet soap. Okay, that's basically how I just apply it. Since it is liquid, I wouldn't want it to just go down. But of course, if you want to apply it all over your body, you can just pour it down and then, you know, take time to just rub it in circular motion, and it's going to help you so much. Okay, so if you do find this video interesting, don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye guys. Mwah.